In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create linting rules using regex patterns, import rules from built-in templates, and creating rules based on advanced functions. So let's see how we can define few more rules using regex and function. So in order to create our new rule, click on this add button and click on new rules. Here again we'll put the basic details and I'll categorize it as a warning, and in terms of regex I can click on it matches. For the path, I'll click on this part and put I have used info.version, and after evaluation it returns v1.0.0. so let's click on save. So as you can see that info.version object path is now selected. Now I need to put the regex for it which matches the required format of the version. So I've added a regex here which ensures that my version number follows a specific pattern. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'll click on save and our rule is created successfully. And if we head over to the warnings tab, we can see that our rule number 2, which checks the info.version object path and it is of the type regex, is created here. In order to edit it, I can click on this button or select copy rule to make another copy of this rule and make slight changes to create a new rule quickly. Now let's see how we can import certain rules from existing templates. If I click on add and select import options, here I'll be presented with few options from which I can import my rules. I'll click on Spectral v3 and it will show me the list of all the rules that are the part of this template. I can click here to deselect few of these and only let certain rules get imported in my rule set. And like this, once I'm satisfied, I can click on add and it auto adds all the selected rules into the rule. Now that we have added a bunch of rules in our rule set, let's add one more of the type function. Here, if I go to functions and select the function type, these are pre-selected rules. So if I want to select a function for description, I have few options here. Either OS description should not be duplicate. So if I click on that, it auto selects the object path for me and ensures that the name of the rule and description of the rule is filled by default. Here you can select different types of functions also, like for example path, and once you go to the path, no verb is in the path, path is not ambiguous, and based on that you will be able to select different kind of functions. So here I have selected it and clicked on save and it gets added. So that's all about how you can create different types of rules, import rules from an existing template, and use functions to create any rule faster. In the next video, we'll see how we can assign it to an OpenAPI specification and see the results of linting.